Hey, it's build day, and this is an extra special build day. We're actually out here on our property. We're installing a very cool roof. I'm super excited about this. Maybe you can tell, not sure if you look there closely, this is not your typical roof. In fact, this is a roof that is not a shingle roof. It's a metal roof. Why would we install a metal roof on our home? Well, Brad will tell you more about the specifics of this product, but I'll tell you, after installing thousands of roofs in North Texas, even some really great high impact rated shingles, what we're choosing to put on our home is a metal product. This is even greater than a high impact shingle product. So, and I would tell you that for those, I have family here in Texas, and I would tell them if they're replacing their roof to use this product over other products. Brad's gonna tell us why.
Yeah, and so metal, this has actually a guarantee to never leak due to hail. And the other thing is just the looks of it. It looks great. It's gonna last longer through the hailstorms. You're gonna get an impact rated discount still. And it's also solar reflective. So you can save up to 20% on your energy bills, especially when we had all this heat this summer. Even though this is black in color, it has special pigments in it that are gonna help reflect the solar energy from the sun. It works great whenever you want to install solar panels, because when you do solar, you also want your roof to last longer and never leak. And so this product is one of the best roofing systems you can put on. Does it cost more? I would say no, because the cost to own something and the price are two different things. So this actually costs less when you start factoring in energy savings, resale value, and discounts on your insurance. When you add all those things up, we'll come out and actually give you a free evaluation, assessment, and consultation. And we actually have a special system that will actually calculate the cost, so you can see what it costs you. And you might be surprised how affordable this product is, and you'll be so glad you put this on your home. And anything else?
Yeah, I mean, the main thing is, if you're tired of replacing your roof, you live in North Texas, you know every handful of years we get hail, and every time like, hail no! Right? No more. So replace your roof less often, consider metal, have us out to do that complimentary inspection like Brad said, and give you an evaluation of what it would look like, and really kind of that cost analysis, cost value equation. And other than that, I don't know. What do you think?
Yep. Reach out to us. We have special offers right now. So for a limited time, we can actually use your home as a model home for this product, because we want to be installing more of this. So reach out to us right now, and we have a special offer that you can discover when you fill out the form below. Click the link, and we will see you on the other side.
That's right. Find out where we're high performant.